Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick. I'm done, man. I'm done for the day, man. I'm going home. Man, what a day this was, man. Let me tell y'all something, man. We had a guy come into the shop. He had a high-powered Challenger. It wasn't really high-powered. What was weird about it, guys, it was souped up and it had the typical high-powered sound, you know. So he came in for an oil change. The oil change guy gets it, of course. And you know, everybody's surrounding it and want to see what's going on. You know, why does this thing sound so powerful? We popped the hood. Lo and behold, it's a 3.6. All right. Now, this guy obviously gonna fake it until you make it. Now, there's nothing wrong with that, man. 3.6 is not gonna give you as much power as you know, the Hemi or anything like that, but he got it sounding like, so he can merely put the fear in the other guys, okay? But I'm not sure that's his intention. But that ain't what this is about. Let me let this one up, man. Probably a lot of noise. Listen, man, this guy doing his visit, he instructed service advisors to when they change the oil. And this is what you're supposed to do. So I don't know where the miscommunication came from. He instructed the guy, he want 0W-40 in his car. I think he have another Scat Pack 392. Either that or his buddies burn. The 392, you're supposed to burn 0W-40, okay? Tighter tolerance and all that good stuff. So the oil got to be a special blend, okay? Now, we talked a lot about this, guys, and watch this video right here, man. I had Jimmy Vaughn on the stream with me, and we covered a lot about that. Why that engine do what it do and why it take what it take. Okay, but I don't know if he grasping this thinking and carrying it along to his 3.6. I don't know. It's none of my business. Okay, the guy have a right to tell you to put whatever it is he want you to put in it. Okay, now breakdown in the communication. The freaking service advisors neglected to tell the oil change guy of such. So what did the oil change guy do? Exactly what he's supposed to do. He went in with 5W20, which is what the car calls for, I think. Nobody told him. They forgot to tell him, or I don't know what happened, but this guy was fairly upset, man. Now, here's where the debate come in. Should you talk to this guy and try to convince him, sir, your car takes 520? I'm sure this guy done been told this 1,000 times. He at the point where he don't care what you say, or he don't care about your freaking opinion. He wants 0W-40. So instead of, the service advisor already dropped the ball by the breakdown in communication. He neglected to tell the oil change guy. So to compound the situation, he goes and because the guy asks, he goes and try to convince the guy, yeah, you really take 5W20 anyway. No, man, no, that was the wrong thing to do, man. This guy ain't trying to hear what you trying to say or hear what you trying to sell. He specifically told you to put 0W-40 in his car. Oh my goodness, man. This could have got ugly. This could have got uglier than what it did. Okay. At the end of the day, we had to bring the car back in, drain the oil. In fact, we had to go get some the kind of oil. He wanted a special name brand and a special weight. We did neither. I'm not sure if we did neither because we didn't stock the brand that he wanted and the weight that he wanted. Personally, the guy should have brought his own oil. But forget that part. Let's stay on the topic. Let's dwell on the situation that breakdown in communication, guys. Poor oil change guy feeling bad. It really wasn't his fault because he wasn't told. Now, I don't know how you would handle it. I'm not a manager. I don't know how you would handle a situation like that. But you can't compound a situation by trying to convince the customer that because his car take 5W20, that's what we put in. That ain't the case. The mere case is you forgot to tell the oil change guy. And the oil change guy did his job. People, it's a 3.6. Not sure why you want 0W-20. And if I'm not mistaken, that's synthetic and it's a lot more expensive. But the guy, now, because I hear this a lot of guys tend to think, or tend to be under the impression. I know I got a couple guys on my YouTube channel I communicate with. Paul Joe, one of them. He said he put 0W-40 in everything. So I don't know if the guy trying to avoid the infamous 3.6 tick. And somebody told him, man, just burn 0W-40, you would never get an engine tick. Guys, we can debate what causes the 3.6 tick till the cows come home. We can debate that all day long, whether it be a special oil blend that would stop it. And I'm not about to debate it right now in this video because I don't have that kind of time. That's what this is not. This is not about the debate. The issue is we should have put 0W-40. Now, I would love to have gotten into this guy's ear to find out why you want. I'm curious, man. Why you want 0W-40? Because I want to know if he's trying to avoid the Hemi tick, the 3.6 tick. Because this is not the first time I heard this, guys. So if he thinking 0W-40 going to prevent his car from ticking, I want to know this. I would like to know this. And I should have, but he seemed angry and ticked off, you know, due to the fact that he didn't. It's, I guess you don't take out synthetic and put in regular. But the oil change guy can't tell what kind of oil coming out of your car, man. He's just merely, man, it's an ugly situation all the way around. Now, I mean, I'm coming from a curiosity standpoint. Why? Why you want 0W-40? Why? I don't know why. I would like to know why, but I don't know why. So, I guess I'll never know because he gone and that's a wrap. I don't know. He likely won't ever come back because we can't follow simple instructions. That ain't funny, man. But guys, that's all I wanted to chit chat. I'm at my destination. I'm at my house. I figured out, you know, it gets crazy around here sometimes, guys. So, oh man, my garage door ain't opening, and besides, it's junky anyway. So, guys, I'm at home, man. That's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. What was I at? Oh, the tick. Guys, I don't know. I can't. Now, I did do a video explaining the top 3 things I think you can do to help prevent the ticking. Because, guys, we all know once the ticking starts, there's nothing you can do. You have to replace the worn, broken parts. You can't. I'm not sure you can do anything to prevent it from ticking because the mechanical roller rocker arms, when they fail, they just fail. It really, I mean, I've heard from guys that use simple, super synthetic Mobil 1, use the top quality oil of all, and still, you know, the ticking still come about. So I'm not sure it's a oil brand or weight problem. It's just a crappy part. To me, my opinion. Everybody has their own opinion. You'll hear something totally different from another guy. Okay, I'm telling you, from my standpoint, I don't know if you can prevent it. You can try. Like I said in those, watch that video. I don't want to give it away, but it's merely the top 3 things you can do your part in trying to prevent it. Will that 100%? Can I guarantee that? Absolutely not. What do y'all think this is? I can't guarantee your car won't tick because you do the top 3 things that I suggest. But based off my experience, I think these top 3 things will help. Okay, so go for it. As far as 0W-40, I don't know. Will that prevent your car from doing the infamous, we have now dubbed that the infamous Pentastar tick. Okay. Yes, the 5.7 have I want to say a different problem. 5.7 is pretty unique in what brings about the ticking issue in that car. I mean, the ending results is the same. Worn out camshaft, lobes on the camshaft worn. 5.7 is a lot harder to repair because you know, that cam is inside the block. Pentastar, it's a dual overhead cam, guys, so it's fairly simple to repair that as opposed to the 5.7. But I don't know, guys. I'm at my destination, so that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.